Okay, so today I'm on a trip to my grandparents' house, to my other grandparents' house. This is going to be a video of the garage doors here. So, I don't think I've ever made a video of the doors here. Freaking bug on me. But yeah, these are the doors. They're just plain old wood. Hey, dude. Fucking bugs. But yeah. This is what they look like. Yeah, this one's really dirty because it doesn't get used as much. They don't have openers on them, by the way. They have the plugs for them, and the wires for them. Bro, freaking dirt doggers. Hey. Hi, I know. But yeah, we're just gonna run them today. Show you what the outside of these look like. So I'll go ahead and give this one a rundown. So that's what they look like from the outside. Yeah, we'll run that back up. Here's what the hinges look like, and the rollers are just normal. Oh, actually, these are steel rollers. But yeah. This trailer out of the way. I'll go ahead and give this one a rundown from the inside. And yeah, come on. Doesn't sit perfectly on the ground, but it closes. It does leave kind of a gap in there. But yep, there's the inside. And yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and run down the other door. Oh, there's that broken chair. Bro, freaking dirt daubers. This video is probably not going to turn out the best, but I'll try to get this the best as I can. Yeah, it's probably as good as it's going to get, so Yeah, I'll just do it from the outside like this. Okay, yeah, there's just dirt daubers everywhere. They're getting on my nerves. But yeah, this one looks kind of darker since it's open most of the time. It does have some dirt and dirt dauber nests on it. Anyway, we'll run this up from the outside. This one opens a bit better than the other one since that one doesn't get used as much. And there we go. This is a quick run for you today. See you in the next one. Peace.